If you want to know how to make a group chat on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we need to open our Snapchat app. And the next step, we need to open our chat folder right up here. And as you can see in the right bottom corner, we have this icon, which is like blue and white. In order to write to someone, we need to click on this icon. And as you can see, now we can start a new chat, but in the top of the screen, we can easily click on a new group, chat with up to 100 friends. So let's click on it. And now all we need to do is just to simply select friends we'd like to add to our conversation, to our chat. So then just click on chat with group. And after that, our chat will be automatically created. But in order to not lose it, we need to write something immediately. Because if we leave this group, it will be automatically deleted because nothing is happening inside. So now we are the admin. If in the top of the screen, we can click on a new name group. So now we can name something, for example, like name. Why not? Click on done. And as you can see, the name of the chat was successfully changed. Also, we can click on our avatar in the left top corner with our group members. And from this page here, we can easily manage all this stuff. We can add some information and we can manage our group members. So if we'll click, we can simply remove this guy from group and we'll only like have one member now instead of us. We can also change the wallpaper if it's necessary, do some other stuff. But basically, this is a way of how can we make a group on Snapchat. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.